In a world increasingly embracing remote work, join us as we explore the top countries that offer incredible benefits for digital nomads, from affordable living and vibrant communities to tailored visa options. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, discover the ultimate destinations where you can work, live, and thrive while immersing yourself in new cultures. Norway, a haven for digital nomads. Norway is a breathtaking destination that offers digital nomads a unique blend of stunning landscapes and an exceptional quality of life. Imagine working from a cozy cabin overlooking the fjords or a vibrant city cafe in Oslo, surrounded by majestic mountains and serene waters. The country boasts some of the fastest internet connectivity in the world, ensuring that you can stay productive no matter where you are. Additionally, Norway is home to numerous co-working spaces that foster creativity and collaboration, making it easy to connect with like-minded individuals. Beyond its natural beauty and modern amenities, Norway is known for its welcoming culture and high safety standards, providing a sense of security for remote workers. With a strong emphasis on work-life balance, you'll find plenty of opportunities to explore the great outdoors after a productive day. If you're seeking a place that combines work and adventure, Norway might just be your perfect digital nomad haven. Estonia, the digital nomad capital. Estonia has emerged as a top destination for digital nomads, and it's easy to see why. One of the standout features is the innovative e-residency program, which allows entrepreneurs to establish and manage a location-independent business online. This initiative simplifies business operations, making it incredibly appealing for remote workers looking to thrive in a digital landscape. Additionally, Estonia boasts a vibrant tech scene, particularly in cities like Tallinn, where startups and tech enthusiasts flourish. The cost of living is also surprisingly affordable compared to other European capitals, allowing digital nomads to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Moreover, Estonia's strategic location provides easy access to other European countries, making weekend getaways and travel adventures a breeze. With its unique blend of digital innovation, affordability, and connectivity, Estonia truly stands out as the digital nomad capital, offering an inspiring environment for those seeking to work and explore simultaneously. Iceland, nature and connectivity. Iceland is a dream destination for digital nomads, offering a unique combination of breathtaking natural beauty and modern conveniences. Imagine working with a view of stunning waterfalls, geysers, and volcanic landscapes just outside your window. The country is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with countless opportunities for hiking, exploring glaciers, and soaking in geothermal hot springs after a day of work. In Reykjavik, you'll find reliable internet connectivity and a variety of co-working spaces that cater to remote workers, providing an ideal environment to stay productive. The city's vibrant atmosphere is complemented by a friendly local community that welcomes newcomers with open arms. Engaging in cultural experiences, such as traditional music, art, and festivals, adds to the richness of life in Iceland. Whether you're chasing the northern lights or enjoying the midnight sun, Iceland offers a unique lifestyle that balances work and adventure, making it a top choice for digital nomads seeking inspiration and connection. The Bahamas is an idyllic paradise for digital nomads, offering stunning beaches and a tropical climate that make working feel like a vacation. Picture yourself typing away on your laptop with the sound of waves crashing in the background and a refreshing breeze at your side. The recent introduction of a digital nomad visa allows remote workers to live and work in this beautiful archipelago for up to a year, making it easier than ever to enjoy the sun-soaked lifestyle. Additionally, the Bahamas offers attractive tax incentives, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned income. Beyond the natural beauty, the laid-back lifestyle and vibrant culture create an inviting atmosphere for those looking to unwind after a productive day. From local festivals to delicious cuisine, there's always something to explore. If you're seeking a perfect blend of work and leisure, the Bahamas provides an unparalleled experience for digital nomads looking to thrive in paradise. Romania is quickly becoming a favorite among digital nomads thanks to its low cost of living and vibrant cities like Bucharest. Here you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without stretching your budget, allowing you to focus on your work and adventures. Bucharest, with its mix of modernity and history, offers a dynamic environment filled with charming cafes and bustling streets. The country is also home to a growing tech community with numerous co-working spaces that foster collaboration and innovation among remote workers. This supportive atmosphere makes it easy to connect with fellow digital nomads and local entrepreneurs. Beyond the professional opportunities, Romania boasts a rich history and diverse cultural experiences, from medieval castles to traditional festivals. Exploring the picturesque landscapes and historic towns, such as Sibiu and Cluj-Napoca, adds to the allure of living in Romania. For those seeking an affordable yet culturally rich destination, Romania is an excellent choice for digital nomads. South Africa is an exciting destination for digital nomads, offering a unique blend of diverse landscapes and thrilling outdoor activities. From the stunning beaches of Cape Town to the majestic mountains of the Drakensberg, there's no shortage of natural beauty to explore during your downtime. The country boasts affordable living costs, allowing you to enjoy a high quality of life without breaking the bank. Vibrant cities like Johannesburg and Durban provide a rich cultural experience with a lively art scene, delicious cuisine, and friendly locals. South Africa also has a strong internet infrastructure, ensuring that you can stay connected and productive while working remotely. Numerous co-working spaces are available, fostering collaboration and networking among fellow digital nomads. Whether you're hiking in national parks, going on a safari, or enjoying the local nightlife, South Africa offers an adventurous lifestyle that perfectly complements remote work. For those seeking both excitement and productivity, South Africa is an ideal choice. Georgia is rapidly gaining popularity among digital nomads, and for good reason. One of the standout features is its visa program specifically designed for remote workers, allowing you to live and work in this beautiful country for up to a year. This initiative makes it easier than ever to experience all that Georgia has to offer. The low cost of living is another major draw, enabling you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without straining your budget. Coupled with a rich culture that blends ancient traditions with modern influences, Georgia offers a unique experience for those looking to immerse themselves in a new environment. The friendly locals are known for their hospitality, making it easy to feel at home while you navigate your new surroundings. Additionally, the stunning landscapes, from the majestic Caucasus Mountains to the picturesque vineyards, provide endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. For digital nomads seeking a vibrant and affordable destination, Georgia is truly a hidden gem. Spain is an enticing destination for digital nomads, offering a vibrant culture and diverse cities that cater to every taste. Barcelona, with its stunning architecture and lively atmosphere, is a favorite among remote workers, providing endless opportunities for exploration and inspiration. The strong internet connectivity across the country ensures that you can stay productive while enjoying the local lifestyle. Numerous co-working spaces are available in major cities, fostering collaboration and networking among like-minded individuals. Beyond work, Spain's warm climate invites you to enjoy outdoor activities year-round, from beach days on the Costa del Sol to hiking in the picturesque Pyrenees. The rich culinary scene, filled with tapas bars and local markets, adds to the appeal, allowing you to indulge in delicious food while socializing with locals and fellow expats. With its perfect blend of culture, connectivity, and lifestyle benefits, Spain is an ideal choice for digital nomads looking to thrive in a dynamic and welcoming environment. The United Arab Emirates, or UAE, is an attractive destination for digital nomads, offering a unique blend of modern infrastructure and a luxurious lifestyle. Cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi are known for their impressive skyscrapers, state-of-the-art facilities, and vibrant urban environments, making it easy to find inspiration while working remotely. One of the significant advantages of living in the UAE is the tax benefits. There is no personal income tax, allowing you to maximize your earnings. The business-friendly environment encourages entrepreneurship and innovation, making it an ideal place for remote workers looking to establish their own ventures. Additionally, the UAE boasts a diverse expat community, providing ample networking opportunities and a chance to connect with professionals from various backgrounds. This multicultural atmosphere fosters collaboration and creativity, enhancing your experience as a digital nomad. With its luxurious lifestyle, strong infrastructure, and supportive community, the UAE is a prime choice for those seeking to thrive in a dynamic environment. Greece is an enchanting destination for digital nomads, offering stunning islands and a rich history that captivates visitors. Imagine working with a view of crystal-clear waters and picturesque landscapes, all while being surrounded by ancient ruins and charming villages. The cost of living in Greece is relatively affordable, allowing you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without overspending. The welcoming locals add to the charm, often eager to share their culture and traditions with newcomers. As the digital nomad community grows, so does the number of co-working spaces, particularly in popular cities like Athens and Thessaloniki, providing ideal environments for productivity and collaboration. These spaces foster connections among remote workers, creating a supportive network that enhances your experience. With its beautiful scenery, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant communities, Greece offers the perfect blend of work and leisure. For those seeking a unique and inspiring place to live and work, Greece is truly a paradise for digital nomads. This video explored some of the top countries for digital nomads, showcasing Norway's stunning landscapes and high quality of life. Estonia's innovative e-residency program and vibrant tech scene cater to remote entrepreneurs, while Iceland offers breathtaking beauty and strong internet infrastructure. The Bahamas presents a tropical paradise with a new digital nomad visa, and Romania boasts rich culture and affordability. South Africa impresses with diverse landscapes, and Georgia is a welcoming hidden gem. Spain and the UAE provide modern living and networking opportunities. Please like and subscribe to Journeyscapes for more travel content.